In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts on Pipedrive. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Pipedrive all the way to confirming that your contacts are being imported correctly. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video anytime you need to catch up. First, look at the left-hand sidebar in your Pipedrive account. Find the icon or label with 3 dots, often called More. Go ahead and click that. From the menu that opens, select Import Data. This is the main area where you'll bring information from a spreadsheet into your Pipedrive database. On the Import Data page, click Get Started. This tells Pipedrive you want to begin a new import. Next, you'll be asked what type of data you're importing. For this video, we're focusing on contacts, so choose People. After selecting People, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to add your file. Make sure you already have your contacts stored in a spreadsheet such as a CSV or Excel file with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. On the screen, you'll see the option to upload your spreadsheet. You can either click to browse and select the file or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. Once the file is uploaded, a pop-up will appear. Here, click Continue with Import and then click Next. This takes you into the field mapping step, which is one of the most important parts of the process. In the field mapping view, you'll see columns from your spreadsheet on one side and Pipedrive fields on the other. Go through each one and make sure the spreadsheet column is matched to the correct field in Pipedrive, like matching email to the email field and phone to the phone field. Accurate mapping ensures your data lands in the right place. When everything looks correct, click Next. You'll now see a preview of your list. This lets you quickly scan a few sample rows to confirm that names, emails, and other details appear where you expect them to. If something looks off, this is your chance to go back and adjust the mapping. If everything looks good, click Next again. In the next window, Pipedrive will ask how you want to handle duplicates if they're found. You'll see 2 main options: merge data or create multiple records. If you want to avoid having the same person appear twice, choose the Merge option so existing contacts are updated instead of duplicated. If you need every row from your file to become a separate record, even if some details match, choose to create multiple records. Pick the option that fits your workflow best. When you've made your choice, you're ready for the final step. Click Start Import. Pipedrive will begin processing your file. Depending on how many contacts you're importing, this might take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see your imported people in your Pipedrive account, ready to be used in your deals, activities, and communications.